Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Hilton's recent decline in health. He's been experiencing increased fatigue, confusion, and loss of appetite.
That's concerning, Dr. Mihira. Have you noticed any other changes in his behavior or symptoms?
Yes, he seems to be withdrawing from social activities and expressing feelings of sadness. He's also lost interest in things he used to enjoy.
Those are signs of depression. It's important to address this promptly to prevent it from worsening.
I've tried to encourage him to engage in activities and spend time with loved ones, but his symptoms persist.
Dr. Mihira, we should consider a referral to a mental health professional for a more in-depth evaluation and treatment. They can provide appropriate counseling and support.
That's a good idea. I'll schedule an appointment with a therapist and discuss the situation with Mr. Hilton.
MIHIRAA, the goal now is to create a calm and supportive environment for her body to do its incredible natural work of healing, and that will involve a gentle home recovery period. To allow the wound to close properly and strongly, it's very important that Emily avoids any strenuous activity or rough play for the next week to 2 weeks. This means pausing on activities like sports, climbing on playground equipment, or any games that could put a strain on the wound area and cause it to reopen. We can think of this as a short period of rest that will pay off with a much smoother and faster healing process in the long run. Keeping her occupied with calm activities like reading, drawing, or watching a movie can be a big help during this time. Our other main focus is to diligently protect the wound from infection. The simplest and most powerful way to do this is through impeccable hand hygiene. Please ensure that everyone, especially Emily herself, washes their hands thoroughly with soap and water before touching the wound or changing the dressing. It's also crucial to keep the wound completely dry and away from bodies of water. This means avoiding baths, swimming pools, lakes, or any water games for at least 2 weeks, or until the skin is fully sealed and healed. Moist environments can harbor bacteria and significantly increase the risk of infection. MIHIRAA, do you have any other concerns or questions?